The idea behind AudaCity Capital is to create the right environment for traders to perform and improve their profitability. We started in 2012, 8 years ago, here in the city of London. Back then, the only reason and the purpose of creating AudaCity Capital is because I was personally looking for such service. When I left the corporate world in the banking industry, I was looking to raise funds for my own strategy, because the transition from the institutional trading approach to retail and prop trading has been quite fascinating as an experience, because when you are trading for a big corporate, you're just having all the setup and the backup and the help on your journey. But when you are trading as a prop trader or individual trader, you are just by yourself, and it's quite tough to go through this just by yourself. For that, I was trying to raise funds. I was contacting individual investors, institutional investors, offering them to invest in my strategy, but it was quite a long journey and costing me a lot of money, a lot of time, because when you deal with people, they don't understand the job is quite really hard most of the time. For that, we got this idea with the group of ex-traders, institutional traders, to create a platform or a company to offer all what a trader needs to perform and do well and just focus on his job, and we just manage for him the rest. For that, we got this idea to create for AudaCity Capital. Back then, it was a hard time, I have to be honest on that. City of London was just coming out of the recession of 2008. Many companies that were closing, especially the prop trading firms, because they were not doing well. The market, it was changing a bit. For that, it was quite tough and difficult environment. Regarding the future, we are really optimistic about AudaCity Capital and the industry in general. Our main plan or strategy is just to attract more traders around the world, is to convince more traders to join us. And what is really challenging for us is not only to attract them, is to do our best to create for them the best environment, to keep them on board, and they keep trading for us and making profit from themselves and for us. For that, we are really optimistic about the future of AudaCity and the future of the financial industry in general from here in the city of London. For that, if you think that you can produce good alpha, you'd be welcome to join our team, and I am sure it's the best environment you could have and the best deal you could have in the industry.